Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please, if you are new, subscribe it. Today, let's talk about IQ option and a very simple trading strategy. We are going to use only the support and resistance levels in this session. So stay there and enjoy this video. Remember, if you like this content, please hit the like button. Alright guys, so the first thing I see when I trade with this strategy is the profit that is offering every pair that I trade. In this case, it has to be above 80%. So as you can see, all of these one are tradable. We can trade all of these pairs. Remember, we are just trading for 1 minute expiration in binary options. Okay. I also want to leave a complete tutorial about this broker, just in case you haven't opened an account. Below this video, I will leave a complete tutorial, okay, from zero, so you can learn how to use it. Alright guys, let's open this one too, and there's another one I would like to see here on my list. Okay, we can start this video with these 5 pairs. Guys, this is my live account and this is my practice account, but I recommend you to use your practice account for for practicing before you go on real. So guys, the first thing I do is to place my support and resistance level on the most current resistance and support level. For example, we have a resistance level where the price was rejected from. Let's clone this level. We have another pivotal level which reject the price here, over here, when the price went there. And we also have another resistance level. Oh, okay, I'm trying to move in. Okay guys, let me leave it like that, like here. Okay, and we have this swing level 2, which is it acts as a resistance level. We can place this one too, but okay, right here we can place this line here just for this week. So now we can zoom in to see what is happening on the price, and we can also trace this level, this current level, inside level, because they just happen, they were created inside this session. You can see these two line, vertical line, so they were created inside these vertical lines of 30 minutes. Three hours. Each vertical line represents 3 hours. So inside 3 hours we have two very important level. which are this one that we have here. So once the price reach this level, either one, we will be very curious about the price reaction. We will do the same on this pair too, to catch some opportunity. Right, we can zoom in and do exactly the same as we did before. So we can take this high in between the 3 hours, and we can take this low to take some opportunity when the price reach those level. So let's set some alert just to be aware of this. Alright, I'll do the same here too. We gotta place this inside level too. Let me clone this level. Alright, now let me set an alert in each level, so when the price reach those level, it notifies me about it. Let's do the same here. Alright guys, we are ready to trade these pairs. Okay, and again, let's do one more time. Let's place this level 2. It's not very important because it's very close to a lower level. And finally, let's do the same with this pair. We place our levels. The most recent level, and let's zoom in to see. So here, let's place an alert. So according to this strategy, we are going to play only breakout, breakdown, okay? But I will teach you how to play. How to play a correct breakout. Okay, now let's wait one of these opportunity. I think the sooner one would be this one. Let's check. We want to see a break up, to the upside, a very defined break up, and with a very good bullish candlestick like this one. This was a very good bullish candlestick, but it didn't break up our level, our resistance level. So we need to be patient for this strategy. Let's continue. Alright, here we go. Okay guys, it was already broken. Now we need to wait until this candlestick finish. All right, it closed, the candlestick closed. And also this one, let me do one more entry here just to cover the first trade. I think we can win. And let me do it with $5. Okay guys, this was not the very good, the best entry, the best breakup, but I think we have opportunity to win. And I'm saying this because the breakup was a light breakup. You can see where this candlestick closed. It closed very close to the resistance level. It closed above above this level is okay, but it didn't close very strong. Like I like this kind of breakup. However, we won this trade. As I told you, it's a very good effective strategy, and we could cover the first loss. And let's go for another one, for another entry, because what I think the price is doing right now is a pullback. It's a normal pullback after this spike, this big movement to the upside. It's normally go down back a little bit just to digest that movement. Okay, so as you can see, the price is moving toward to this level of value. So now that the price made a new high, what we have to do with this level is to move this level. We can move this level once the price start to drop off. And the same here. We can move those level once the price start to make a pullback, a significant pullback. We move this level to the high of that pullback. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, if you enjoy and understand everything that I explained here, please give me a like and subscribe it. So I'll see you soon. Alright, let me check. Oh, it's okay. See you later.